Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how you can submit your website on Google News and get approval in less than a week. Whether you're using WordPress or Blogger, the method is the same. As you can see, this website, my Google News approval is live. It means it has been approved. And this is not the first nor the second website I've gotten Google News approval. I've gotten Google News approval on different sites. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end to get the exact method I use in getting Google News approval for my sites. And if it's the first time of watching my video, I make videos on blogging, SEO, getting backlinks, driving traffic to your website, and anything related to blogging and SEO. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make these videos. Now back to the video on getting Google News approval for your site. The essence or the importance of getting Google News approval for your website is it aids to drive traffic to your website. And also it aids in getting your blog post indexed very fast on Google. Your blog post can be indexed in less than a minute if you've gotten Google News approval, just like the one you are seeing here on my main site, ideapify.com. Now, to get Google News approval, I'm going to use a random site because I don't have any other site I want to get Google News approval. I'm going to use a random site to show you how you can start the application. All you have to do is to go to Google News, type in Google News Publisher, and click on this first website to start the application. Once it opens, all you have to do is to click on this and click on other publications. Click on it. Then this is where you're going to add the URL of your website. Next, I'm going to use the random site. This is not my site. This is a new site in Nigeria. I'm very sure they are connected to Google News. But let me just use it for example. Then I'll put the URL right here. Then what is your publication called? You can still name it as the name of your website. Then call it Vanguard. Then location, home location, that is where your site is located. This is a Nigerian site, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. Then leave it as English. If your primary language is not English, make sure you choose whatever your primary language is. So this is English. Then click on this box. Then click on Add Publication. You can see, go to Search Console and paste your URL. This is easy. If your site is already submitted to Google Search Console, you can just click on Check Verification. If not, go and add your site to Google Search Console. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my video on how to submit your website to Google. How to submit your website to Google. I've explained how to get that, but this is very, very, very easy. Well, for this video, let me just open this to show you an example. Open Search Console. Then you add the URL right here. This is Vanguard. Let's add this Vanguard. Then click on Continue. The checking verification. This is going to fail because I have not verified it. So the best method I usually use in getting my website verified on Google Search Console is using this. I copy this. If you are using WordPress, this is the best method. You copy this, you install header and footer plugin, then you copy and paste it. Then after that, you click on verify. So let me go back to this page. And after you've done that, check on verification. Once you've done that, it's going to show that you own that site. So I'm going to click on Do this later. Then you can now start off by adding the details. You have to complete every details before your publication can be approved, or it can go live. So you click on this open. This is where you add the necessary things that is required for approval. So you click on this edit. And you can see your publication requires a square logo and logo. So if you don't have a logo, make sure you create a logo for your website. You can do that by using Canva. Create any logo and add it here. Add logo. Without that, your publication cannot go live. You cannot go live or you cannot get approval. So for publication category, I click on this. You have to select that. Let me just use anything. Let's say business and finance. The essence of choosing the right category for your website is so that Google News will be able to will send it to the right set of people that might be interested in your article or your publication. So make sure you choose the right category that best define what your blog is all about. Then after that, you click on distribution worldwide. For a worldwide, it means your article will go worldwide. But if you don't want to go worldwide, you want a particular country, you want to restrict a particular country, you can click on this and select that. Allow Pacific country, block Pacific country. You can do that at this point. Then you can leave this the way it is. Allow all properties. You leave it. You leave it this way. Just leave it this way. I usually leave it this way. Allow all properties. Then click on next. Then under add new section, this is where you add the feed of your website. Let's say feed, click on feed. Then you can add the title of this feed you want to add. Let me add it as news. Then the URL at this point, you can add the URL of your own page, or the category where, let's say you have a website that is on text. You don't want to include all the articles being posted on that website to Google News. But why would you add it? But you don't want to add it on Google News. All you have to do is to go to that particular category you want to be showing on Google News and copy it. Let me say for this, you want only politics. You click on this and add it, then /feed. You get the point? Yes, /feed. But if you want every category or any article you post to be showing on Google News, just put the home page of your website and /feed. You leave it this way. I usually leave it this way. And after that, view access anyone, leave it as anyone. Then after that, you click on and this is it. Then if you have, let's say you have a YouTube channel, you want it to be connected to your Google News. All you have to do is to click on add new section, click on video, then let's say add the name of your YouTube channel, let's say test. Then you copy the URL of your website or a URL of your YouTube channel and paste it here. Then after that, you click on add. Then once you've done that, you click on save the progress. After you saved, then scroll down and click on next. Click on next. When you click on next, this is the final page. This is where it's going to tell you what is still required before you can submit. You can see the publish is not yet showing. That's because you have not added what you want to add, like logo, You can see content section review is empty. You can see property not verified. Once you do that, you will not see review again here. Then general contacts, missing contacts, review. I've not added the contacts, so I'll click on review. Let's click on review. I can click on this. The transfer we haven't done, so let's look for it. Points of contacts. I have add contacts, add the URL, I have your email address, your website email address. Let's add info@vanguard.com. If you want to know how to create a custom domain name for your website, you can check my video on how to create that, a business email for your website. I've made a video on that. So you click on this, then click on add. You can also add any email address. Then if you go back here and go to, and let's say we'll go back to the settings, this review and publish, you can see it will no longer show. You can see the contact details we just resolved, it has been taken off. So once you are resolving each of these things shown here, when you get it done, you take it off. Let's say, for example, please review our terms and conditions. You click on review. This is very easy to fix. Add your name, your email address, title, are you the owner or editor, organization, see the name of your website. Then you click on this. After you've done that, you've added everything. All you have to do is to click on submit. Once you do that, this is going to go. You're not going to see it. Square logo, primary property not verified. So once you finish all of this publish will become blue. Then all you have to do is to click on publish. And after you've done that, give it less than 7 days, you will get approval. You get approval for your website. Now, not all websites that you submit on Google News will get approval. The websites that follow Google content creation guideline will be approved. For example, a site or movie download will not be approved, or anything from download niche. If you're in a download niche, you cannot get Google News approval. Anything that is against Google content creation guideline, you can't get Google News approval with that. So that is how to submit your website and get Google News approval in less than 7 days. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.